Hi guys, in today's video we're going to make arepa. But before we get started, I want you guys to head down to the subscribe button, like, share, and enjoy this video. In today's video, we took a little trip to South Trinidad. Can anyone make a guess where in South Trinidad this video took place? Leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll tell you if you're correct. So to make arepa, we're going to add some warm water to a bowl. We're going to add melted butter or margarine, some salt if you have used unsalted butter. Mix the ingredients together. Now I'm adding cornmeal, and you can use the Promasa brand or pan brand, and it's readily found in the supermarket. Next I added some grated cheddar cheese because I did not have queso fresco, queso blanco, which is what they use in Colombia or Venezuela or any other Latin American country. Mix all the ingredients together until it forms a really nice soft dough. Roll the dough into a ball and then we're going to flatten it out in the middle of our palms as I'm doing in the video. And we're trying to get that really nice circular shape. So when we flatten it out, we're taking the edges of our palms and we're going to try to round off the edges so that it's a nice kind of circle. Now I'm using a frying pan. You can also use a grill. Another way to get that perfect circle is by rolling out the dough in between plastic and then taking a cookie cutter or even a bowl and cutting out that round shape, and there you have a really nice perfect circle. Fry your arepa in a pan or even a tower if you want to, and while it's hot you can put your cheese on top so it will melt immediately. Serve with butter or margarine. You can even eat it with avocado, guacamole, eggs, cheese, any type of cheese, you name it. It's the perfect breakfast or dinner or even lunch. At dinner time or in the evening time is when I try to make things really quiet and settled. So I like to light a little candle, scented candle, dim the lights, make some hot tea, and sometimes I might even have my dinner outside on the porch looking at the sunset. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye until next time.